At first, take my love. Dear people of the world, you have seen the fascist Awami government, dictator government, autocrat government Sheikh Hasina, killing, missing, arresting ordinary student and common people of Bangladesh. And this incident is unprecedented in the history of Bangladesh. So far, disappearances, murders and arrests are ongoing. Women, children and the elderly are only being left out. According to Daily Pratham Alu's report, more than 1700 people have been killed. I repeat, the Daily Pratham Alu's report, 1700 people have been killed and thousands of innocent students, common people are in prison. It should be noted that when the students of Bangladesh started the discriminatory quota reform movement, it should be noted that when the students of Bangladesh started the discriminatory quota reform movement at the beginning of July 2024, instead of resolving it peacefully, the government came to the ground to suppress the movement by students' organization, Chhatra League, Yuva League, Awami League, police, BGB. The government failed in this and sent the army to the field, especially in Dhaka, that carried out massacres. We are continuing the movement based on 9 points to save the people of Bangladesh, to save the people of Bangladesh and students in charge on 9 points to save the people of Bangladesh from this illegal government, autocrat government, dictator government. In such a situation, we want the cooperation, United Nations. We want the cooperation of European Union. We want the cooperation of the world leaders. We want the cooperation of the Bangladeshi people staying outside the country. We hope that suddenly, immediately help us so that we can free from dictator government Sheikh Hasina.